Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm finally getting around to review these three radios, these three brand new radios that I told you about in the last video. So I'm going to start with the first one that I got, which is the radio from iRonsnow. They have sent me a number of radios and other devices to review, and they've all turned out really good. This is an emergency radio. It's got a lot of functions. It comes with the charging cord, or this can be used to use the battery, internal battery, to charge like your cell phone. Comes with a nice carrying strap. It's cloth, it's not plastic, and the user's manual. And this came in real handy, and I'll tell you about it in a second ago. I usually, on radio like this, I just scan the user's manual and then quickly start using it. And I was confused about something, and I'll tell you about it. Anyway, so it's got AM, FM, weather band, 2 shortwave bands. Now, my memory's not very good. Let me look up the shortwave band. Shortwave band is, first one is 3.2 megahertz to 10 megahertz. So you get 2 WWV frequencies, and the second one is 10 to 22 megahertz. So you get another WWV to use for checking out your radio and what you can receive. It's got a built-in internal battery. It's got 2 3.7 volt batteries to give you 10,000 milliamp hours. Now I'll be doing a battery life test, not life test, but endurance test, I'll call it, in the future. It is powered by that thing. It's powered by 2 AAA batteries. Maybe it's 3 AAA batteries. Does it tell me this? No, I was hoping it would tell me. I can look in the back here in a second. Anyway, has a solar panel for recharging the internal battery. It has a crank. You're familiar with these things for charging that internal battery. It's stereo. It's got 2 speakers. Now, when have you seen a radio like this that's stereo? This is a pretty cool radio. Okay, let's move on. Over here, we have the port. I'll get it open for charging it via USB-C using the cable they provide you, and using the internal battery to charge like your cell phone, and a earphones jack. Let's see if I can close this up. There we go. Seal that up. And this, believe it or not, is the telescopic antenna, which kind of fooled me because I pulled it out. Let me get my fingernail on there. I pulled it out, and I'm like, oh, that's not going to work. I'm going to have to use a radio like this. Well, then I looked at the manual, the cover that I just showed you, and you very, very carefully, you pull harder, very carefully, and then the antenna swivels, extends vertical, bingo. Pretty cool. I was a little disappointed that it was just coming out, but I didn't pull it hard enough. Got to be real careful and pull on this strongest length to get it all the way out. Over here we have 2 lights. We have a spotlight and then 2, I call ambient lights, which I'll face away from the camera and show you how bright, super, super bright. There's the ambient, and there's both. Lots of light. And we have an automatic reading light. Boom. And it rotates. I won't point it at the camera. And when you put it back down, it goes off. Save your battery. Here we have where you select either your AAA batteries or the lithium built-in battery. Here's the power button. I've got it on right now. The band select. The tuning. It does not have a tuning wheel. It uses up and down tuning. volume up and down, and it has a scan function which will scan and find the strongest signals and store them, and then you can go back and review them. Pretty cool. I mean, this thing has got a lot of features. There's where your strap goes. You can put that on if you want to. There's where your batteries go. I said I was going to open this up. It's a little difficult to open. There we go. Takes 1, 2, 3. 3 AAA batteries. That's what it takes. So if your rechargeable battery is not charged, you can use the very common AAA batteries. Let's just tune a little bit. So we'll power it on. Oh, it was on. Dummy. Okay, we'll power it on, and we'll turn the volume up.
Wednesday, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming north in the afternoon. Bay and inland waters light chop. A chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers in the morning, then showers likely in the afternoon.
Okay, let's see how many weather bands, weather stations we can get, frequencies we can get. Okay. Maximum I can get 3. A lot of times I can only get 1. There's 1. Yeah, that's a strong one. That's 2. Back down to 0. So I can get 2. Now I can say sometimes with an outside antenna I can get 3. That's the maximum. We'll go to another band. There's the FM stereo. You see it? See it says stereo. It's receiving in stereo. Sounds great. Let me shut up. Well, that's music. I gotta get off music. No, let's get off that bit. Okay. Oh, I've locked it. Oh, I did this. This locked it. That locked it. No wonder. Ooh, that was a lot of music. That was a lot of music. Okay, now we're in memory mode. Then we turn the volume down. Yeah, it picks up a lot of stations on FM. I'm going to get off there before I get in trouble here. Let's go to AM. There's AM. We'll tune. So it seeks. It doesn't seek if you hold it down. And of course, it's going to be directional, and I'm facing the wrong direction. Let me get station I know that's strong. 820, I think. Yeah. Turn the volume up.
The response and service is always timely and professional.
No matter the age of your home or appliances, all warranty service.
Nice and clear. See what happens when I rotate. Oh yeah, it gets stronger. Typically the stations for AM are in that direction, so I have to turn it this way to get strong signal. Shortwave, probably won't get anything on shortwave right now, but we can try. Yeah, there's some. That's from a previous scan. Don't show what that is. I could do a scan. Let me turn the volume down. I could do a scan, but it takes quite a while. Like 10 to 15 minutes on the 2 bands, each of them. So I'm not going to do a scan right now. It does. I think when I did a scan yesterday, and it wasn't the ideal time of the day, I got like 6 stations, clear and real stations, not just noise. So it does pick up shortwave, and it will do better if you have a clip-on antenna that's at least 20 feet long for shortwave. Really a nice radio. Comes in multiple colors. This one and the yellow one, and I think one other color. Again, I got this. It was sent to me by iRonsnow. Pretty nice radio. Of the many emergency radios I have tested, this is probably one of the nicer ones. Lots of functions. This is the only one in a small radio that has dual speakers. That's something very unique to it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.